And here it is, the Galaxy S9 Plus unboxed. And of course it comes with accessories too, so we'll go through that right now. It comes with a SIM eject tool, USB connector, Type A to Type C for plugging things into your phone, a wall adapter, USB cable, Type A to Type C for data transfer and charging, and headphones, 3.5mm headphones, something that's very uncommon nowadays. It also comes with earbud tips of various sizes for your headphone. The accessories that come with the Galaxy S9 Plus is pretty standard and the same as the previous generation. The only unique one by today's standard is the 3.5mm headphones. Since most other phones don't even have the headphone jack, there's no point in including them. This one does, so there it is. And now with the phone and the accessories unboxed, that pretty much wraps up this quick unboxing video. But before I go, I'll leave you guys with some B-rolls of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now see you guys in the next video.